So guys, I'm bringing you another mod that I did on my last Accord a couple years ago. It's blacking out this OEM spoiler. Now my last one I did that, but I also swapped the spoiler out. So I want to revisit this one and wrap it and show you guys how easy it is. So I got a couple gloss black here. And this is from Cool Tint 604. I'll put a link in the description. Definitely check that out. It's really easy to do. It's two pieces. One piece goes on the back part and one goes on the flat. Also has the carbon fiber. Here's a piece of it here. So that looks really awesome as well. But I'll go ahead and wrap it in the gloss black. But just know that if you want carbon fiber, they have that as well. And it looks really good. I might do it later on, wrap it in that, because I think it would look really, really cool on this color. But same process, identical. So you can order whatever you want. Good quality 3M vinyl here. Great quality stuff. That makes the big difference there, what you guys use. Okay? So we'll go ahead and get started with that. I think it'll be really good though. I'm gonna try to wrap those gloss black as well. I think would look really good. I'm gonna do some black wheels, and then I'm definitely gonna change this out still. I need to hurry up and do that because I have that emblem waiting. Let's go ahead and get started on the back here. Okay guys, so I laid it out. This is the flat part. And then this is the edge right here that goes around. It's really nice. If you notice here, that's nice and black, and that right there has a film over the top of it. Okay, so you're gonna have to peel that off, of course, and then it's the same, just pure black. But you kind of want to line it up here. And like I said, it goes over the flat part, and then this piece will go around the back. So just know how it works. And it's really easy. It's not hard to do. Just take your time. You shouldn't need a heat gun on this. Try to do it when it's a little warm outside too. It'll work a lot better. Okay, so what I did here, I took the backing off and I just got it lined up on the edge here. And the nice thing is about these spoilers, there's a little bit of a gap. So you can use your nail or a little trim tool and just tuck the very last piece under the lip. And so by doing it this way, you don't have to remove your spoiler, because like I said, there's no reason. If you're going to remove it, you might as well just put a new spoiler on, in my opinion. But you just wrap it just like that, and it goes right up underneath. Like I said, there's a gap. Just use a small trim tool, and you're just going to lay it over the back. And don't pull too much on it because it will stretch. Okay, so I went ahead and removed the top cover, that matte cover that goes over the top, just so it's easier to work with. And now you can just straighten it out and try to go right to the edge there. Like I said, take your time so you don't get any bubbles in it. And it's really forgiving stuff too. If it doesn't work out, peel it back up, try again. See, like that, then you're just gonna lay it back down and use your finger, it's all gonna wipe off. But it will be really stretchy. So you don't wanna really overstretch it, because then you'll probably be cutting some of it. The whole idea is that you don't have to do that. So I went ahead right now and I got it tucked around this whole thing, and I laid it down on the back here. Okay, I left this out for right now, just so I'm gonna know where, when I put this side piece on, where I'm gonna need to start. And if you need to, I found out on this, if you need to, take an X-Acto knife and trim a little bit of the edges off. You can, after you put the side piece on. Okay, but it comes out really easy too. And the nice thing is, you basically want to tuck it, and then any excess you can tuck it underneath the spoiler, because there is a gap. Like I said, use a trim tool, it'll tuck right under. And that's gonna sit like that. Same thing. I'm gonna peel the back, start on one side, and then work my way around. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. So here you go. I went around the edge here, went around the whole back and the side. I think it looks really sharp. Like I said, this is a great thing to do, so you don't have to spend, it's like $120 for an OEM spoiler. I did that before, but for the money you spend on this kit, it's cheap, easy to do. You can get carbon fiber, you can change it up, and it really changes it. I've always liked that black gloss black spoiler. I might get a different style later on, but for now, this definitely ties everything together with my black badges. I think it looks really good. So I'll put a link in the description, guys. Definitely check them out, Cool Tint 604. You'll be surprised how much it changes the look of your ride, and especially since the new SEs come like that now from stock. So hope everyone's doing good, staying safe out there. Appreciate it. I'll have a video coming up shortly again, so definitely stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See you guys later.